Yeah, I look peanut porridge me I deal with in a Japan here, see me. Then me just blend the peanut with the oats, I put 2 pieces of ripe banana in it. I experiment, but I know banana strong, so I don't really put a whole one, you understand? And then I go give my father say I eat my father used to sell peanut porridge. So when he say I eat. My father say I eat, so nobody can tell me nothing. I have a nutmeg, I have a cinnamon, put in it. I'm gonna put my coconut milk. What I'm doing now? I eat man. Yeah, that's a one. Yeah. See that? In order to have fish, you just use your tuna, sardine. I'm gonna put some sweet corn in it, some onion, tomato, pepper, up like heaven. Can you tell what about to go down right now? Get the peanuts, get the oats, get the cinnamon, get the milk, get the yogurt, get the vanilla. Hey, I want to go on here now. Planting this, pigtail. Can't wait to start drink that soup here. Build up my body, Carrot, Irish, yo.
know if it turn on make fashion. I go drink this now and go on my bed.